When you work with the teams that run the research facilities in the university, you get quality analysis, unprecedented expertise, and you get a commitment to doing the best job and working in partnership. I think one of the great things about the university is because we do such a wide range of research, we actually have some really very high-end sophisticated equipment that I think many industries probably can't afford to run and operate themselves. And so having access to those kinds of facilities is really a huge asset to a business.
So the university has invested heavily in its facilities, and this has resulted in the creation of several analytical facilities across the campus. Importantly, in businesses and working with the facilities, they get access to this high-end instrumentation. They also get access to the expertise that has been developed in working with that instrumentation.
So we can work with people all the way through to designing an experiment, to actually delivering the experiment and the data, but also training people to come and work with our technologies as well.
When you're starting up as a new company, or if you're a small company, you don't have to take into account having to house or maintain large pieces of expensive equipment or specialist members of staff to run those samples and analyse them. You have that bespoke specialist service right on your doorstep.
We use a wide variety of facilities across the campus to visualise the mechanisms by which our technologies work in product. The new ingredients that we're developing all of the time. We might have a need for a piece of equipment that might last 3 months. There's no point in us buying that equipment, so the university's just got all of that equipment open to us. We can use it for a short period of time, come back to it a few years later, and we know it'll still be there, and we know the expertise will be there, and that's just so much more efficient for us.